Hindi rin naman ako kumbinsido ng December 25 talaga ang eksaktong birthday ni Jesus. Pero don't you think, as a Christian, sa season na to, nasa right heart posture yung mga tao. This season is a great opportunity to share the gospel, the good news. Babakasyon na, so relax yung mga tao. Festive yung moment. TV, sa radyo, sa social media, it's all about giving, sharing. You're a Christian and you want to share the gospel? Itong season na to na yun. Take advantage na natin. Instead of preaching that Christmas is a pagan holiday, instead na mag-aksaya ka ng laway para i-preach yun, gospel na lang, share mo. That we are all sinners and fall short of the glory of God. Na lahat tayo makasalanan, we all deserve hell unless someone will pay for our penalty. Salvation is not possible. God gave Jesus to live with us, pay for our sins on the cross. Take advantage, kapatid. Hindi rin